Hey guys, today we'll be analyzing Cardano, Ripple and Bitcoin against US dollar, but before doing so I would like to remind you our best-selling web course about trading, learn how to trade financial markets with indicators and techniques unique in the world of trading, published on greenfair.com and also on udemy.com. Let's start with the Cardano. As you can see here we have a daily chart, so every candle is daily one, and as you can see here we have a breakup above the horizontal resistance around 0.09. Okay, what we see here around this area is a strong breakout above this area, and so in terms of projection we should keep in mind that the new target projection should be equal to the difference between this point of low and this breakup. So actually should be something around 0.18. So over the next days we should be expecting Cardano moving up till 0.18. Let's now move and let's check out what we can understand from the analysis of the Ripple against the US dollar. Okay, here the situation is the scenario is quite different, yet we see a long black candle breaking above this oblique resistance. In other words, the price has been enveloped within a descending triangle. Okay, but what we see here actually seems to be a fake out. Okay, so a fake breakout below this horizontal support. So what we see here is a breakup above this oblique resistance created by linking all these point of highs. Now what we should be expecting over the next days, actually, if we see another candle with a bigger amplitude, with a larger amplitude, with a big difference between the lows and the highs above this long white candle, we should be expecting the price going back to retest this area, so around 0.50. Okay, so and the point that before doing so, actually there is this strong resistance around 0.27. Okay, yet the breakup above this oblique resistance is a quite important and positive signal for Ripple. Let's now this is the weekly chart. Okay, so this is an even more important chart if compared with the daily one. Okay, now let's move on and let's analyze Bitcoin against the US dollar, and let's see, and as you can see here in terms of relative strength, Bitcoin seems to be the strongest one. Then we have Cardano right now, and then Ripple seems to have the lower relative strength, or the lowest relative strength if compared with Bitcoin and Cardano. Let's analyze what is happening right now. As you can see here we have an ascending channel. This again is a weekly chart, and here actually we have experienced a fake breakout below this oblique support. Okay, so now what we see here is an ascending movement. Now if we enlarge our vision, we see that actually the Bitcoin is moving in a horizontal way, okay, or even better, is moving in a range between these areas, okay, so which means around 6,500, 5,800 to be more precise, and almost 13,000. Okay, so while the price is moving right now in terms of cycle in this way, okay, here we have the ascending phase of the Gauss curve, we have the descending, and now we should be actually experiencing the ascending phase of the Gauss curve. So in other terms, what we expect is movement upwards for the next weeks. So the probability is that we can see a movement up for Bitcoin over the next week seems to be stronger, seems to be bigger than the possibility to see a movement downwards. Again, as you can see here, we have a series of long white candle. So first resistance around this area, so 10,500 US dollar. If we will see a long black candle, a long white candle, so breaking above this threshold around 10,500 US dollar, we can project our next level here at 13,000 US dollar. Thank you guys.